All right, let us quickly solve this Olympiad math problem. All right. Now I have x raised to power x raised to power 6 is equal to 144. Now this type of question, the concept is that you are going to have the same thing at the same variable in the base should be the same thing at the power. Okay. So since I have x raised to power 6 as the power, so I need the base to be the same thing as x raised to power 6 as well. So what do? We can take the power of 6 to both sides. Okay. So this is x raised to power x raised to power x raised to power 6 all raised to power 6, okay, is equal to what? 144 raised to power what? 6. Now according to indices, we know that a raised to power m in bracket of n is simply to multiply them to be a raised to power mn. Okay, so this is what? X raised to power, this time this will give you 6x raised to power 6 is equal to what? Let me reduce this to be 12 raised to power 2 all raised to power what? 6. Okay, now this is the same as saying x raised to power 6 all raised to power x raised to power 6 is equal to 12. This time this will give you 12 raised to power 12. You see the concept? So if x raised to power 6 raised to power x raised to power 6 is the same thing as this, so what does it mean? This implies that x raised to power 6 is equal to what? 12. Okay, so what do we have? X will now be the 12th root of this, so x is equal to what? The 12th root, the 6th root of what? Of 12. So that is that. So thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.